this is Komal Chandela, and how are you guys? Please tell me in the comment section. So yes, today's topic is about confidence. Confidence एक ऐसा word है that we keep listening in our day-to-day life. And in today's like according to like thumbnail देख के आपको समझ में आ गया होगा that today we are going to talk about the reasons behind low self confidence. लेकिन reason पे पहुँचने से पहले हम ये जान लेते हैं that what actually is meaning of confidence. Okay. So according to psychology, a person is considered as confident when they firmly believe, when they basically trust their abilities, their capabilities and their judgments. So then a person is considered as confident. So if we talk about the reasons, तो reasons पे पहुँचने से पहले मुझे ये like I want to clear this thing कि many of us are accused of this thing unfortunately कि तुम में confidence नहीं है. ये हम हमेशा सुनते रहते हैं like कि नहीं you have very less confidence, बाकी सब तो ठीक था. And even in such big competitive exams like UPSC and many other exams like SBI, PO, especially government exams, they keep interview as a judgment criteria for your personality. Basically they are judging their confidence over there, they are not judging your knowledge. वो सब तो उन्होंने प्री में एंड मेन्स में जज कर ही लिया था. नाउ दे आर जजिंग बेसिकली योर पर्सनालिटी इन इंटरव्यू, योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, योर persona. So confidence plays a very important role, and it is also shown, many studies have shown this thing that there's a very strong relationship between confidence and mental health. ओके सो नाउ गुड न्यूज़ इज़ कि भले ही हम ये चीज़ सुनते रहते हैं कि तुम्हें कॉन्फिडेंस कम है, ये आए दिन हमें सुनाई देती रहती है आसपास, ये कोई तो हमें ही बोलता होगा. सो द गुड न्यूज़ इज़ कि जब when we are accused of some people when we are accused of somebody who is who is not so confident, so the thing is that हमेशा reason में हमारी गलती नहीं रहती है. वी आर नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर लो कॉन्फिडेंस इन अस. Many times it is the genetical makeup of our brain, the way our neurons are linked, they are responsible for low confidence in us. Okay, and there is no fault of ours in this, that how our neurons are linked, how certain chemicals are being released or how certain chemicals are being secreted so that certain so that they can boost up our confidence or happiness level. It is not our fault. So in this world where everyone is valuing such confident people, everybody is demanding confident people, everyone wants you to be extremely confident. If you are not somebody who is confident and there is no fault of yours in it, then please embrace yourself, because universe needs more people like this. Okay, we all have had too many confident people in our life. Now we need some people who understand others. So more than confidence, what matters in your life is good understanding, empathy and compassion. Okay, but still as I told you, it is very important that we have confidence, and if you want to become somebody who is very confident, then let's look at the reasons. Okay, so the very first reason that I told you was genetic makeup, and we can't do anything in it. The second reason is bullying, harassment or any trauma. Okay, during your childhood, if you went through any emotional trauma or any bullying etc., then it may result in low self-esteem when you grow up. Okay, and it is not your fault, it is fault of the society who did bad to you. It is not your fault, right? Another reason, third reason of less confidence is poor parenting style. So Erik Erikson is a psychologist, according to whom he said that our childhood shapes our personality. Okay, basically whatever we go through in our childhood, that has a very deep impact on us, and it shapes our personality when we grow up. Okay, so he gave he basically described 8 stages of psychosocial development. Okay, and in one of them it is said that if you are not appreciated by your parents, and if your parents kept comparing you with other children of your age, if they always had very high expectations, and yeah, basically they never appreciated you, then it may result in low self-confidence, and it also results in guilt, and it also makes you a person who is not going, who will not basically who will not take the initiative. Like, you can be a very good team member, but you will be very scared to take the initiative. But it doesn't mean that if you went through something so bad, if your parents also didn't know how to how to do parenting, they just gave birth to you, still, if you want to work on yourself, there are so many solutions, and I'm going to talk about solution in the next video. So one of the reason is poor parenting. Another reason is perfectionism. So from this poor parenting only, the perfectionism की जो habit है वो emerge होती है. Like, there can be other reasons also, but mostly it is because of this only. Perfectionism is good thing, yes. Perfectionist होना, like in movies we might have seen that it is considered as something really good, but you know, one very bad thing which comes with perfectionism is कि आपको हर चीज़ इतने perfection से करनी होती है that you sometimes end up not at all doing that thing. ठीक है, यानी कि जैसे कि मेरे साथ हुआ था ये, when I was preparing for one competitive exam. So there used to be mock tests every week or once a month like that, okay. तो जब मेरी preparation up to the point नहीं होती थी, I used to end up not giving test at all. और उसके पीछे का reason ये था that I wanted to be perfect, okay. and ये habit हमारे में तब आती है, और ये सिर्फ academics में नहीं, किसी भी चीज़ में हो सकता है, okay. and ये तब होता है when we have this habit of over performing. ओके, वी वॉन्ट ओवर अचीविंग. और ये कहाँ से इमर्ज होती है? ये तब इमर्ज होती है व्हेन योर पेरेंट्स कीप वेरी हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम यू, व्हेन योर टीचर्स कीप वेरी हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम यू, एंड व्हेन यू सीक वैलिडेशन फ्रॉम देम. तो आप उस वक्त इतना सब कुछ अचीव करने की कोशिश करते हो ताकि वो आपको अप्रिशिएट करे, राइट. सो दैट इज, सो परफेक्शनिज्म इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द रीजन बिहाइंड लो कॉन्फिडेंस. Another reason behind low self-confidence is harsh judgments. ओके, सो सपोज यू सेम एग्जाम्पल को कंटिन्यू करते हैं कि जिस तरीके से मैंने अपने आप को जज किया इतने बुरे तरीके से, जबकि मैंने बहुत एफर्ट्स डाले थे, आई न्यू दैट कि मैंने बहुत मेहनत करी है, स्टिल आई जज्ड माई सेल्फ कि नो यू डिडंट परफॉर्म वेल. बट वही इमेजिन करते कि मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है एंड शी डिड द सेम थिंग, उसके साथ सेम हुआ, उसने बहुत अच्छा स्कोर किया, सब चीज़ सही थी, बस स्पोर्ट्स में सही, उसकी परफॉर्मेंस ठीक नहीं थी. Will I do the same thing with her? Will I be very harsh towards her कि how can you do this? I'll give her a lecture कि this is very wrong, you can't achieve anything, etc. No, right? I'm not going to do any of that. Instead, I'll be like, I'll appreciate her hard work. So when it's about our best friends, we always choose to see the best in them. But when it's about us, we always see the worst. Like, I'm judging her on the basis of her hard work, but when it's about me, I'm judging myself on the basis of end result, and that is just way too toxic. So one of the reason is harsh judgments. Another thing, yes, made notes. Another reason is fake world. Yes, I wanted to talk about it. This fake world around us, and social media. So first thing, when we wake up, the first thing that we do is open Instagram, okay. And on Instagram, nobody chooses to show their bad side, their failures, their sorrows. Nobody wants to share their pain. Everyone just wants to show how happy they are, how successful their relationships are, or such a cool friends group. Everyone basically wants to show their best. And what happens? We compare our behind the camera life with their highlights. How is that even a valid comparison? Even they are the same people, even they go through so many bad phases in their life, and here we are judging us that no, something is lacking in us only. Well, this is a topic, this is a very important topic. I'm definitely going to make a video on this, that how Instagram is making us more and more empty. So instead of comparing our life with what we see on screen. I think we should focus more on ourselves, and we should compare our yesterdays with our today, and we should shape ourselves for a better future. Okay. Then I got this okay wala accent from South India. Yeah. Then I like it. Then another point that I said was this companies basically, and I want to point out basically cosmetic products wale companies, they are benefiting from our insecurities. More insecurities they find out in us, more they are going to benefit, right? Because I remember when I was in class 4th or 5th, everything for me was Borolene. Okay, moisturizer, hand cream, face cream, everything, even face पे apply करती थी मैं. And not to be kidding, during winter season my face literally used to glow. But now, but then it became moisturizer, and then now it is hand cream, and I'm shocked by that. So how earlier we used to have such a minimalistic lifestyle, and now see, even though we have technology, we have each and everything, and still we are unhappy. So basically these companies वो हमारे में insecurities point out करती रहेंगी. They are benefiting from it, and they are nobody to tell us what we are lacking, right? Instead of putting ourselves in such a worst position, we should appreciate the natural self that we are. Okay, and whosoever loves you truly is going to fall in love with your natural self. That person is definitely going to love the real you, and you'll need no pretending and no faking in front of that person. Okay, and if you don't have that person, if you don't have such people around you right now, then maybe later you will have. But yes, do not fall into this trap that is being set for us, so that these companies, these business benefit from us. Yes, that's it. I'm tired because this is third time I'm shooting this video. Like these earlier 2 times it got deleted, so I'm tired, and this is I think night 2:30. I'll have to edit also. Yeah, so basically these were all the reasons which are responsible for low self-confidence. And in my next video I'm going to talk about the solutions also, and being a psychology student, I'll try to give as much as practical tips as possible, and I'll be connecting with you guys more. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit the like button and comment down below. Did you find it helpful? And also more video ideas. And yes, and share with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.